This is iAgent website teaching how to use Elementor and edit items on your website, on pages, and on homepage. So when you first come to your website, you log in, and then after you log in, you'll get this bar and or be sent to the dashboard page. So if you know what page you want to be edited and where it's at, you can go to pages and all pages and find it in the list of pages. However, I have found it easier to just highlight on your name or your website name and then click on view website. Mine may be a little bit different because I'm logged in differently than you may be, so just look for your domain name and then go there and then click on visit and then you'll pull it up just fine. So here is Stacy's website, and we want to edit this section here. It's what he has requested, and since I'm editing it, I want to do a video so that you guys can go ahead and edit your own sites. So once you find the page that you want to edit, and you can literally just surf to any of the pages. So we're editing the home page. Click on Edit with Elementor. You're going to notice immediately the site change a little bit. The header is not there. The footer is not there. Like you'll see header. I can't talk. This will edit the header throughout the entire site. The same thing down at the very bottom. Edit footer. This will edit it throughout the entire site. So I advise you not to edit those unless it's something really important. If not, then shoot a support ticket to us and we can do that for you. So just simply to edit the content here, what you can do is you can right click and choose edit text editor. You can click on the little thing as well, and then this will appear. Either way, it's totally fine. You can also double click and start typing if it's just a quick little thing to edit and change. That would be something that I would do, but since Stacy wanted to change the entire paragraph, it's easier just to edit here. This is just the normal Microsoft Word, so if you have used Microsoft Word, you'll be able to use this as well. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this information and then just press delete. So then all of that goes away. You'll notice this picture looks funny because it's based on the size of how much content's on this side, rather than it just being a straight photo. So I'm going to go to his email and then I'm going to copy the content that he has provided, and then I'm just going to paste it right in. So there's his information. Things that I would do naturally is I tend to want another paragraph just to kind of space it out here a little bit. So I'm just gonna, yeah, that's about right. Space that out just a little bit. And then when you're done, you can just hit update. This will fix the issue as well. If you want to adjust fonts, you can hit toggle the toolbar, and this will give you more items like changing font color, bold, highlighting items. You can do that as much as you want. So for example, if welcome to Up North Realty, if I want to bold that, then I would just click bold and then it would be bold over here. So fairly simple. A style you can click on and then click on typography over on this side, and then you can change the font, the weight, the size. All of that can be adjusted here. So feel free to do the adjustment, and you really can't mess it up too much, so I'm not really worried about it. You can always hit the back to default button and it will return to what this is currently. Same thing with alignment and text color. Feel free to adjust any of that. When you are done, make sure that you hit update. And then this is done throughout the rest of the site. So anytime that you see like testimonials, for example, if you just right click on them and hit edit the template, then edit template, then you will see that. If you see edit template, that means that we are using this testimonial section on multiple pages. If you edit the template, then it will be edited on every single page. Featured properties, if you want to change your featured properties, just right click on it and hit edit flex, and then you can change this information here. If your feature properties is done by a shortcode, then please put in a support ticket. For the community, same thing, just right click edit template, and then I will show you. I'll go here to edit template. You see it will open in a new tab, and then you can edit the same exact way. So by clicking on the pencil or by right clicking and choose edit call to action, it takes you to the same spot, and then sometimes you'll just have to click on the little arrows to make things appear, and then here is the link for that, and then yeah, so forth and so on. So I think you kind of get it. This is something to play with a little bit. You can't mess it up too much. It's just fairly easy to do. So I'm just going to close this out without actually saving it. Um, since we added the content here, we can hit update so the content is saved, and then we can close this out and choose view page, and now Stacy's information, his new welcome paragraph, is created. Thank you for watching. This is how iAgent website teaches how to use Elementor and change text on your pages. Have a good day.